welcome to my channel. We are studying light reaction in photosynthesis. So we are seeing part 5 of light reaction photosynthesis. Please view my previous videos to see part 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So let's pass on to cyclic photophosphorylation and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Cyclic photophosphorylation is also cyclic flow of electrons. So cyclic photophosphorylation is the cyclic flow of electrons, and non-cyclic photophosphorylation is the non-cyclic flow of electrons. So in cyclic photophosphorylation, photo means light and phosphorylation is the synthesis of ATP. Photo is synthesis of ATP in the presence of light. So how is ATP synthesized? When phosphate is added to ADP, ATP is synthesized. Whenever phosphate is added to ADP, ATP is synthesized. So photophosphorylation, in cyclic photophosphorylation, only ATP is synthesized, and for dark reaction more extra ATP is needed. Now we are studying the light reaction, but for the dark reaction of photosynthesis, extra ATP is needed, and this is synthesized in cyclic photophosphorylation. Now in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, ATP, NADPH and oxygen is synthesized. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, ATP, NADPH and oxygen is synthesized, whereas in cyclic photophosphorylation, it is the cyclic flow of electrons, only ATP is synthesized. For cyclic photophosphorylation, photosystem 1 is active. Cyclic photophosphorylation takes place in photosystem 1, whereas non-cyclic photophosphorylation, in this photosystem 2 and photosystem 1 both are active. For non-cyclic photophosphorylation, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 both are active, while cyclic photophosphorylation, only photosystem 1 is active. Cyclic photophosphorylation, it occurs in granule thylakoid and stromal lamellae, whereas non-cyclic photophosphorylation, it occurs only in granule thylakoid. Cyclic photophosphorylation, it occurs in granule thylakoid and stromal lamellae. So we have seen the difference between cyclic photophosphorylation and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Once again we will revise. Cyclic photophosphorylation is the cyclic flow of electrons, and it happens only in photosystem 1, and it generates only ATP. Extra ATP is needed for dark reaction, and it is generated in cyclic flow of electrons. And in non-cyclic flow of electrons, what is happening in non-cyclic photophosphorylation? Three things are produced: ATP, NADPH and oxygen. Both photosystem 2 and photosystem 1 are active in non-cyclic flow of electrons. Cyclic flow of electrons occurs in the granule and stromal thylakoid, whereas non-cyclic flow of electrons, it happens in the granule thylakoid. Hi friends, let us plot a small graph of the light reaction on the redox scale. When we plot the graph, we can see that here it is the photosystem 2. Photosystem 2, it gets excited, the electron gets excited. It is accepted by the primary electron acceptor. Now the electron, it moves downhill. This is the electron transport chain. Electron moves downhill and it is accepted by photosystem 1. So and again the electron will get excited in the photosystem 1. So this is a Z shape. So we will obtain a Z shape on the scale. So we say this is a Z scheme, or we will obtain a Z shape on the scale. In the redox scale, we will obtain this shape. First of all, in the photosystem 2, the electron gets excited. It is accepted by primary electron acceptor. Then the electron travels downhill in the electron transport chain. Then it is accepted by photosystem 1, and then again it gets excited. So this is a Z shape on the redox scale. We have completed this light reaction, and we have completed in 5 parts. Please watch all the 5 parts to get the complete information of light reaction of photosynthesis. From the next class onwards, we will study dark reaction of photosynthesis. Thank you.